To show GPU and FPS graphs on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open the settings. Here in settings, we're going to scroll down, and first we need to enable developer options. So we're going to go to About Phone, then in here choose Software Information, and you want to keep tapping on the build number. And afterwards, we need to enter our screen lock password and tap on Continue. Then you will see this message that developer mode has been turned on. So we're going to go back to settings. And then here we want to find and go to developer options. Now in the developer options, we need to actually scroll down a little bit, and in here we need to find the GPUWatch option. Let's go over here. Now we can turn this option on. We have our widgets that can be displayed. So of course, if you want to, you can add more, or you can tap on these options in order to customize it a little bit. And there we go. Here we have our graphs. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.